Hello guys, today I'll show you how to set a display orientation in laptop, any laptop. So right click on desktop, click here, display setting. See here, scroll down, you see, click on display. You see here, display orientation. I'm sorry, display, display orientation. So you can set any one you want, a landscape, a portrait. Yes. Keep change. See, and you want to change. Or here, landscape flipped. Wow, the world is changing. And where is it? Here. Yes, that's cool. Yeah. Example, when your computer flip to others, so you can find out here and change the display orientation. So you can find out here, right click on desktop, display orientation, or you can find here, setting, and system, display, and scroll down. See here, display orientation. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.